and I'm talking about the Govee Lynx dimmable warm yellow lights. These lights look absolutely incredible. Now, these lights are marketed as and designed for outdoor usage, but I can tell you, I've got them mounted indoor and they look great indoors as well. These aren't big hunkin' bulbs, as you can see here. They're reasonably sized bulbs. They're not super heavy, and I've got them mounted straight to my ceiling using command strips. I didn't even have to put holes in my ceiling to mount these lights. I just straight up put them in using command strips. So let's talk a little bit more about these lights, and I'm going to show you the app that comes along with them. So this is the Govee 48-foot outdoor string lights right here, and I've never owned outdoor string lights before. I do have an outdoor patio, and I'm actually going to buy another pair of these lights that I'm going to put on my outdoor patio, and I'm probably going to buy a second pair here on Prime Day that I'm going to put on my front porch to kind of hang over my front porch as decor lighting there. And these lights look great. These, for those of you that don't like an extreme gamer look, for those of you that don't want purple, blue, and green and all the colors of the rainbow in your home or on your home, these are just regular warm yellow lights. They are shatterproof lights. So I could tell you they really are shatterproof. As I was installing them here on the ceiling, I dropped them a bunch of times and they did not shatter. So I could tell you that from experience, they did not shatter. But as you can see, I've just got them mounted here in my studio on command strips on the ceiling. Now outside, when you mount them outside, you can hang them from trees, you can put them on nails, you can put them on the side of your house, whatever it is that you want to do, you can mount them outdoors. And each individual light with the Govee 48-foot outdoor string lights, that has a little hook on it actually, on each light. So you can actually hook each light onto a nail, onto a branch. You can hook each light onto whatever it is that you want to hook it onto on your outdoor space, so that you don't have to necessarily put a mount every single frickin' spot that you're going to mount your lights. So think about it. Does your back patio have branches? Does it have trees? Does it have a little line you can clip it to? Does it have the edge of a window you could clip it to? These lights, as you can see, look at the little bulbs right there. You see the little hooks on the side of them? You don't just mount the little string itself, you can hook the bulb onto something, which makes it great in terms of a mounting solution for these lights, which I really like. They're namely designed for garden, backyard, patio, but I'm using them in a home office, home decor scenario. And I've combined them with some plants, as you can see right over here and right over here. And I actually like the look. I live in this cyberpunk universe every single day in my live streams and in my digital consulting business. This is my life right here. This is the digital world that I'm living in. And I love having a space right behind me where I just straight up transform that cyberpunk look in my space instantly like that, just by putting up these lights. They have so much impact on the mood of your space. They chill you out big time, and I just love it. And they aren't getting hot. That's another thing. Like with this many bulbs in the space like this, I could tell you, I would know if they're getting hot because I'd be sweating bullets right now during this live stream. They don't really get hot. They get a little bit warm if you leave them on for a bit, and I love it.